Hello friends, welcome to your system fixer. In this video, I am going to show you how to install Windows 11 on a new PC that you just built or onto a new SSD. Before we begin, let's quickly go over what you'll need. A USB flash drive with at least 8 GB of storage, another working computer with internet access. By the way, if you're looking for a complete written guide, you'll find it in the description and comment section below. You can check out the guide for additional screenshots and troubleshooting tips. Okay, now, let's start with creating the Windows 11 installation media. On your working computer, open your browser and visit Microsoft's official Windows 11 download page. Scroll down until you find the Create Windows 11 Installation Media section and click Download Now. Once downloaded, find a file named Media Creation Tool. Double-click to launch it. Now, accept Microsoft's license agreement. The utility will automatically detect the recommended language and Windows Edition. Just click Next to continue. Now, we have to tell it what type of media to use, and select USB flash drive as your installation media and click Next again. Select your USB drive from the list. Here, make sure you've backed important files up, because everything on that USB will be erased. Click Next and let the Media Creation tool download Windows 11 and create the bootable USB. This process may take several minutes depending on your internet speed. Once you see the message saying your USB flash drive is ready, click Finish. The installation media has been created successfully and you can unplug it from the computer. Okay, let's see part 2. Boot from the USB on your new PC. Insert the bootable USB drive you just created and power on the machine. Immediately start pressing the boot menu key repeatedly. The exact key varies by manufacturer. In my case, it's Asus motherboard, so I pressed F2 or delete key to enter the BIOS setup utility. Keep in mind that the boot menu and interface might look a bit different, depending on your motherboard. Okay, now, let's navigate to the boot menu section. Select the USB bootable drive and click F10 key to save the change and restart the PC. Now we've reached part 3. Select your preferred language, time format, and keyboard layout. Then continue. Next, Windows will ask for a product key. If you already have one, enter it now. If not, simply click I don't have a product key. You can activate Windows later. Choose the edition you want to install. For most users, this will be either Windows 11 Home or Windows 11 Pro. Accept the license terms and click Next. You'll now see the disk selection screen. If you're installing Windows on a brand new SSD, it will likely appear as unallocated space. Simply select a drive and click Install. If multiple drives are listed like this picture, take a moment to verify choosing the correct one. Selecting the wrong drive can erase existing data. Windows will now begin copying files, installing features, and configuring the operating system. During this process, the computer may restart several times. That's completely normal. Just let the installation continue without interruption. After the final restart, Windows will launch the initial setup experience. You can now simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the Windows 11 setup process. This includes selecting your region, keyboard layout, connecting to EFI, and signing in with your Microsoft account. If you prefer more control, you may also choose offline or local account setup, depending on your system version. Just make sure you carefully review privacy settings during this stage and disable any options you don't need. Once everything is confirmed, Windows will finalize the setup automatically. After a few minutes, you'll land directly on the Windows 11 desktop, which means your installation is successfully completed. But we're not quite finished yet. Let's perform a few important post-installation tasks. If your computer contains additional SSDs or hard drives, they may not appear in File Explorer immediately. Right-click the Start button and select Disk Management. Look for any drive marked as unallocated. Right-click the unallocated space and select New Simple Volume. Follow the wizard to assign a drive letter and format the partition. After completing the process, the drive will become available for storage. Now, you can activate Windows 11 if you haven't. Just type Active in the search box and select the best match from the list. Here the status of Windows 11 is active. If not, click Change Product Key. Enter your valid Windows 11 license key. If the key is genuine and matches the installed edition, Windows will activate automatically, and that's it. Your system is fully set up and ready to use. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to your System Fixer, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future Windows tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and PC setup tips.